Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Thursday to you all. Today is Friday Eve. Welcome to it. My good things for today are surviving COVID-19, spending time with my family, and your good things. Your good things are always very fun. So I thought today I'd do your good things a little differently and actually show you the good things that were submitted yesterday. So here they are, spending time with family, friends, there being less than a month of school. That's not entirely correct. There's about 5 weeks of school left. It being a little cooler, not getting hit by your brother while calling your friends, streaming on Twitch, mint flavor fruit, Bona Swift wipers because my dog pooped this morning, being on a boat, Ship of Fools, spring lot failure, which I still don't know what that is. All these things. Finishing homework, Micron pens and paper. Vegan sausages, making yogurt bites. Birthdays, not being on a boat, exercise, dogs. On a boat with other people, getting new AirPods, making brownies. Watching Italian comedies with your dad and choking with laughter, and riding a ripstick. So those are your good things for yesterday, I guess. I'm sharing them today. Let's talk about what I would like you to do today. If you look at your assignment guide, you will see that there is just a link here. This link will bring you to this presentation. And this presentation is entitled College and Career Tool, 3 Cool Things, blah, blah, blah. And what this is talking about is that link that I sent you. If you look back to Tuesday, I sent you this link, which brings you to this page, which has all of these links with college tools, choosing career tools, and stuff like that. And I asked you to explore this site and be prepared to share 3 things. So today you're going to share those 3 things. So if you go to this link, it'll take you to this. Sorry, get rid of this. It'll take you to this presentation. And here is what you're going to do. You're going to create your own page, first of all, by clicking the plus sign right up here. That'll give you a blank page, right? And this, here is your example for how I want you to set up that page. So I titled this Format Example. You're going to put your name first on this page. You're going to list your 3 reasons, right? Your 3 things that you found while exploring all these different sites. And so this is reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3. And then if you want to add a picture or something, or even like a web link or something that you found, for each of those things, you can do that. I'm going to call that optional, but it is required. This is an assignment that you that you create your own page and share 3 things. This presentation is just one presentation, right? It'll be one that I use for both Avid classes, so should end up with around 60 pages to it. A little less than 60, but that's okay. So make sure that everything you're putting is school appropriate, and realize, of course, that I can track editing history and stuff and see who put what, even if you put a fake name or something like that. And of course, you're not touching anyone else's page except for your own. This assignment is due, I'll call it tomorrow by 3 o'clock. And that is it for today. So, to quickly rehash, Tuesday I asked you to go to this site, which looks like this, explore these things, find 3 cool things that you like, that are interesting, that other people might benefit from seeing. And you're going to go to this link in today's page, which is this presentation. You'll create a new page by clicking the plus button, and then follow this format to share the 3 things that you found. All right, due tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Have a great day. Bye-bye.